Hi guys, I am at the allotment today to do some work. I'll tell you that getting the allotment ready for farming for the first time is not a piece of cake. It's not a piece of cake. I've been here for about half an hour now. It's very hot and I've not been able to do much. Let me just show you what I did. Alright, so this is all I was able to do today. They had this weed barrier put down, which is just been a bear. It looks like it's everywhere. It's just everywhere. I need better tools. So I need to remove all of that soil and then remove this weed barrier. Hopefully, all of this area is not on top of a weed barrier, which if I'm not lucky, that probably is the case, because look here. So it's everywhere. I have to remove it. So I have to go get better tools. I'm thinking maybe a knife to cut up the thing with, and then maybe a shovel, something. This my little hole here is not cutting it. So that's what I was able to do today. So I'm gonna go home now, and hopefully maybe I'll be back later today or tomorrow. Alright, so we brought a pair of scissors today and we're cutting that back. I don't know what the hell all of this was for. I don't get really that pinch in you much. See that meat popper? Baby Diana it's a workout. Yeah. We're done. We're done for today. It's 20 minutes of work.